Medical Symposium 2021 organized by Polonnaruwa Clinical Society.
Polonnaruwa Clinical Society has become a regular aspect and part of District General Hospital Polonnaruwa since 1986 as a platform to share knowledge. It has become an initiative step into the future of medicine with a vision to be one of the best clinical societies in Sri Lanka, in order to increase the public awareness as well as to continue clinical knowledge in healthcare personnel.
When we talk about the history, it's a great honor to welcome our chief guest today, Dr. Gamini Gunathilaka, Honorary Consultant Surgeon, the founder president of Polonnaruwa Clinical Society, who took the pioneering step back in 1986 to build this society. Polonnaruwa Clinical Society has done a tremendous service to the hospital as well as to the community in its glorious 35 years of history.
And as a responsible clinical society, we have identified the value of public awareness in quality health care. As we always believe prevention is better than cure, we have our own corporate social responsibility projects in order to help the community to identify diseases and overcome illnesses, and also to help children in their higher education.
And our mission in 2021 has become to improve medical education through innovative technological advancements, as it gives us an opportunity to conduct and disseminate educational programs without limiting to physical participants. Thanks to this innovative stage, we have been able to successfully hold numerous lectures and practical sessions even during the COVID pandemic.
So, without delaying your valuable time, let us begin the Polonnaruwa Clinical Society Mini Symposium 2021 ABC in Clinical Practice. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please request all of you to rise for the national anthem.
Thank you all. There's a famous saying by Martin Luther King Jr. Darkness cannot drive out of darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out of hate. Only love can do that. So let us usher in some positive energy to our occasion by lighting the oil lamp. May we invite our honored guests to proceed with the lighting the oil lamp. First, Dr. Sampath Indika Kumara, Provincial Director, Northwestern Province, Director of DGH Polonnaruwa and National Nephrology Hospital.
Dr. Shanika Karunaratne, Consultant Cardiologist, District General Hospital Polonnaruwa, the President of Polonnaruwa Clinical Society.
Dr. Densil Gunasekara, Consultant Radiologist, DGH Polonnaruwa, the Secretary of Polonnaruwa Clinical Society.
Dr. Amita Nelumdeniya, Consultant Dermatologist, DGH Polonnaruwa, the Treasurer of Polonnaruwa Clinical Society.
Dr. Dinesh Dasanayaka, Consultant Respiratory Physician, the Editor of Polonnaruwa Clinical Society.
Dr. Amri Aziz, Consultant Orthodontist, District General Hospital Polonnaruwa, the Editor of Polonnaruwa Clinical Society.
Dr. P. Sudarshan, Consultant Physician, DGH Polonnaruwa, the President-elect of Polonnaruwa Clinical Society.
Dr. Nelum Manavadu, Medical Officer Nephrology, Junior Secretary of Polonnaruwa Clinical Society.
A representative medical officer from the audience.
Mr. H. Jayasinghe, Chief Nursing Officer of District General Hospital, Polonnaruwa.